Merry Christmas from the Party of Six. Come along with us as we show you some of our old traditions and our new traditions that we've created here in our rig.
Look at the size of this cake. Look at the size of these cakes. Whoa!
To kind of help stick it together. This one on top.
That got off the cake.
Sure. Spatula. Okay, so we're going to put this one on top.
Splat. Mom, that was the bestest icing ever. That's squeaking out my cheeks.
I love that icing. It's my most favorite type.
I will eat it off of the knife.
You're not going to eat it off.
I want to look. Please, Birdie. Birdie, I want to look.
That was the part that I was going to look. Don't worry. I get to lick this one.
Okay, don't put that back on the cake.
Wait, you missed a spot.
Let's have marshmallows. Please is look.
The only thing that you can...
Merry Christmas, Mommy. I hope you like your stocking. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. I'm watching the Lego fireplace.
Bro, do you want to give them a tour of our Christmas decorations?
Yeah.
Show them what we got.
Yeah, we got this in the window.
Oh, did you help decorate the tree?
No.
Bryson made us a star to put on top.
I'll give you a tour and come on in here. Yeah. Stockings. The Christmas lights up on the thing. Important things is in here. So, Christmas lights. Yeah, and a wreath. Yeah, and a wreath. Yeah.
So pretty. Do you like sleeping with those on at night?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's up
Here's
here?
the presents.
up
And
here?
I put a-
there's the Christmas lights. Got one of the most important things. Let me fix it. And we have this, and this, and this, and this.
Change. What's today?
Sprinkles. I noticed.
What?
Present. I know this is a shirt.
You think so?
Yeah, this is a shirt. I know what this
We'll
is.
see.
So, Mom, tell us about our presents this year.
Okay, so we have always kind of followed the 3 presents, something they want, something they need, and something to read. But it's usually been like 5 something to read and 5 something they want. So this year we made sure that we just did 3 presents.
Mom,
1,
is
2,
this
3,
an
that's it for each kid.
airplane? I got an airplane.
I don't know.
I got 4 because Grandma gave me
We can't
one.
open them yet. So 3
Oh.
presents for each kid to help
Yep, they-
keep the stuff down, and we're gonna do an experience with
You know
them
what?
instead.
I got 4 because Grandma gave me one.
Grandma
got presents.
Grandma did send a couple presents too.
Last
So
year's
Jesus
so
got 3
crazy.
presents, so we're gonna do 3 presents, right?
Yeah, but it's kind of one.
Let's see if I can flip this on with one-handed on camera. Ready? Oh, take 2. There we go. Look at that. Thank you. Mom, your makeup is on point.
So this was Christmas makeup for church last night, and the great thing is it doesn't come off. So I just touched it up a little bit, and now I'm ready for the day.
So what kind of makeup is that?
Cinegents. So comment below if you want to know more.
So we've got omelets, some sausage. I made some bacon, some pumpkin, what are these? Pumpkin spice rolls in our convection microwave. You can bake in these things, friends. You can do it.
Yeah, yesterday I had 2 sheet pans of cookies and the cakes in there.
I'm a bacon thief and a sausage thief too. I love bacon and sausage.
Swiping some bacon. Get out of that. I wanted to hang the stockings here, under the fireplace. This was my thought all along, but I got rejected because we had the Christmas tree here. So we had to put them over here. Get out of the bacon!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, everybody! Merry Christmas, everybody!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Yeah.
Best Christmas day ever! I'm gonna open my presents up right now.
Well, eat your breakfast.
Hurry up and eat.
Oh,
I
what
know.
does it say? What is it? I know that it's a Star Wars shirt.
It's a new Star Wars shirt!
Oh, that's what she opened the other
Stop.
day.
How do you even open this one? It's good! I love it!
Wow.
I love it!
My turn.
What?
Oh, that's underwear.
I thought
underwear.
they were pajamas.
No, they're new underwear.
What?
Something you need.
It's a shirt for you! It's one that you asked for! Mommy!
Oh, stimmers? No shirts. Ooh, shirts.
What is that?
I think they're pajamas.
Pajamas, yay! New pajamas and I got new underwear. I have no idea what's in this big
What is it?
a Lego set.
No, sit down.
Those pants might fit me.
No, it'll fit bro.
Oh wait, Bryson ate stockings.
Thank you.
Stockings. They're stockings.
Stockings.
Yeah.
They're super cozy too. Thanks, Dad. Thanks, Brayden, Bryson, Brody, Maya, and Daddy.
You're welcome.
I
And
invite him. What is it? Come on. What? Oh, you know what it is, Amaya. Afro.
look at you go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jesus. Happy birthday to you.
I'm gonna blow it. Me too. Yay!
Happy birthday, Jesus.
The sound of joy. We pick the sound of joy.
So thank you so much for joining us as we go on this adventure of living with less so we can give more. Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, you know what to do, and Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.